my god, I can't feel my hands. It's so.
If I live here, I think I would get fat.
You should go on the Vogue. It's too cold. I look like a penguin. We are walking to my mom and dad's favorite cafe.
I like this place so much.
Yeah. My mom and dad went here for already 5 times already. This street is crazy. It's all full of cafes. Buildings are so high and tall. Look at that building. It's bro, how do they afford this? Is rent here really, really cheap or something? Because this whole entire street is packed with cafes and restaurants, and they're all so pretty. But the cafe we're going to is I think the best cafe in Gimhae, because holy crap, it's amazing. I've literally went here for already how many times? I forgot also. It's my favorite cafe. It's called Hoffen. Hoffen is a bakery cafe for pastries and bread. They have a lot of pretty pastries. The pastries on Pinterest you see, it's all there. What? My favorite there's the scallion cream cheese bagel. It's 10 out of 10 approved.
Let's go.
Even the parking lot is packed. It looks like mochi bread. There's red bean inside it, I think. Look at that gila. It's so big. This is my favorite. This is the scallion bagel. Scallion cream cheese bagel. It's a 10 out of 10. No words can describe how much I love it. This place is packed right now. Holy crap, there's kids running everywhere, and the grown-ups, all the tables are freaking full. Oh my god. They've gotten so popular in just 6 months. It's crazy.
We already ordered and now let's eat. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Wait, I'm gonna take off my jacket. It's very warm inside the cafe, and the view is amazing. You want the one with a lot of salt? This is the salt bread. Bro, you literally panyatin. The crunch here is amazing. Really crunchy. Always hits. The salt bread here never fails. It's the best salt bread ever. Because it doesn't taste like bread, it tastes like choban. I don't know how to describe it, but it just doesn't taste like normal bread. It's chewy. A chewy bread texture, not like normal bread. If you get it, you get it. So next we have this garlic bread. Oh my god, the texture is so questionable, but it looks good. Look at that, crazy. I've never tried this before, so I'm excited to try this. Holy god. It's good, but a bit too sweet. The garlic breads here are really, really sweet. So. But overall, it's good, but it's a bit hard. So The edges are hard to chew, but the white bread is really soft. But the edges are a bit too hard. I'd rate it a 7 out of 10. And on it, no, it's not that low. 8.5 out of 10. Only because the side is hard to chew.
This is our lunch. Damaging lunch.
No cafe can beat this cafe in both the building and like the good food. Crazy. The coffee is also good. I also ordered coffee. I ordered a cafe latte. Like, oh my god, the color is crazy. I'm gonna try the cafe latte first, guys. I'm starting to get a bit thirsty. It also hits so. Oh my god. Okay, next we have this sausage roll bread. Sausage cheese. Oh, it has corn. Sausage cheese corn bread. That's not the actual name, but like I'm just making things up. Okay, let's try it. This looks promising because I love sausages. Yeah, there's nothing special about it. Just tastes like sausage and bread. Generally, it's just sausage and bread. I'll rate it 7. It's good, but it's not special. If you guys come to Gimhae, you should definitely try this cafe. It's called Muffin, and you'll be surprised how good it is. Wow. If I live here, I think I would get fat. Because I would go here like almost every single day. That's how good this is. Like, I'm serious. I love cafe taste. But it's kind of weird because like some people always ask me like, oh, you drink coffee? Like, because kids aren't supposed to drink coffee, right? And I'm basically still a kid, but not a kid. I'm like a teenager kid. Well, I don't know. I'm 15. So I think 15 is a good age to drink like coffee because I really love caffeinated things like coffee, matcha. I love matcha. Matcha is the best. Like, my mom makes the best matcha ever, and oh my god, I drink it almost like every day at home. So like, I don't know if that's good for me because I'm not getting any taller, but oh well, I need it for the energy because I train 24/7, right? So okay, so I think the last one. This is my favorite. The scallion bagel. The scallion cream cheese bagel. My favorite. Like, look at the top. It's like so... It's so glossy and appetizing. My god. Like, everything here, the surface... You know, the surface thing? The bread surface? It's so glossy. I don't know what they use. What do they use to make this so glossy? Honey? Butter? Honey. Butter. I think butter. Okay, let's try. This is my favorite. It always hits here. It never fails. I always order this when I get here. It's, oh my god. Because I can't recreate it either because the scallions in Indonesia is like questionable. It's very bitter. And this scallion isn't bitter at all. I think it's a different type of scallion, but I don't know. This heals my soul. Automatic 10 out of 10. No, like 100 out of 10. This automatically 100 out of 10. It never fails. Their fillings are also really, really good because look at how much scallion there is. Like, it's not just like you name it scallion cream cheese bagel, but then the scallion's like not even half the thing. This one, it is. So. The cream's spraying on all. I'm so satisfied. This is so worth the calories. Like, wow. And then this is for dessert. This is tiramisu Dubai chocolate. A big bite. Oh crap. This is too big. Okay, that's mine. Look at those layers. That's crazy. I think this is gonna be good because they're pistachio and katifi here. Damn, it doesn't taste like normal pistachio katifi. Katifi? Patefi. I don't know how to pronounce it, but like, it tastes crunchy, but not that crunchy. Like, it's just good. It's really good. Love it. Their pistachio here never fails. But rather than this, I like there's like a lot of Dubai chocolate. No, I have pistachio chocolate pastries, and I like the other one which is shaped like a Christmas tree. Yeah, it's basically like a croissant, and then the filling is like a big bunch of pistachio katifi. It's so good. I rate this a 8.5. 8.5. I like the pistachio, but the sponge cake is a bit dry. Overall good though. We're outside and this is the view. What the hell? There's a Santa over there. We're exploring the building and oh my god, it's huge. Like look at the background. Wait, look. It's crazy. What are you doing? Oh my god. Santa. Model. Vogue. You should go on the Vogue. Oh my god, the sun. It's cold but hot at the same time. Actually no, it's definitely just
cold. You're only using thin stockings. Huh?
I'm only using thin stockings, but surprisingly I'm not cold.
It's too cold. show them our shoes. Show them.
Oh yeah. Me and my mom, sister, and I are wearing matching shoes. Look. We're hopping to yet another cafe. The cafe is just beside Poffen and it's called On End.
That's nice.
This is the building. It's also like, the building is similar. It's also like Poffen. This cafe is also very, very pretty. Like, whoa. It has like its own backyard. And that's crazy. We're going to the second floor because my mom and dad says it's really, really good. And the view is really, really nice. Better than the view from Poffen. Because it is facing like the forest, so it's better. It's also really crowded too. I think everywhere here, all the cafes are really crowded on Sundays. Oh, whoa. That's cool. The outdoor seating area is literally like connected to the hill. Oh my god, this is the first time I go to this cafe, and it's just beside Poffen, and it's like almost the same building. It's so breathtaking because the view is better than Poffen. And we ordered this strawberry ice cream. It's like McDonald's ice cream, low key, but more upgraded and fancy.
It's in season. Strawberry.
Try it, try it. Does it taste like McDonald's strawberry ice cream?
No, it's light.
Light. The outdoor seating is literally connected to the hill itself. So it's crazy. Wow. I'm shocked. Cafes here are top. Korea really doesn't play about their cafes. Because wow, this isn't even like a main tourist city or area, but the cafes are still so nice. Like, if you go to Korea, you should just go to small like Gimhae rather than Busan or Seoul, because damn, these are some hidden gems. Because how can you find something like this in Busan? It's like nearly impossible because Busan is all tall buildings, especially Seoul. This is all like nature, calm, zen vibes. Love it. I love it. We basically did nothing in this cafe. Now we're going to go to Jangyu waterfall. But this cafe is crazy. Like, what cafe has a literal pond as their entrance? Like, what? We're at Jangyu now. We just parked our car in front of an E-Mart because there's no parking lot here. So my mom's buying something. And now we're at Jangyu waterfall. I don't know if this is the actual waterfall because I can't see where the water's coming from. I think it's man-made. But it looks so pretty. It's pretty, but it's so cold. It doesn't help the fact that I'm also not wearing any tights underneath my stockings. I'm barely and basically naked. Whoa, this is amazing. Oh, there's also like a big windmill over there. What is that? It's not a windmill. What is it? The one that's for water regenerating? Oh no. But oh, it's all rocks. Oh my god, I can't feel my hands. It's so. You got 2 acorns?
No, it's not an acorn. It's a pine cone. Pine tree. Pine.
It was so freaking cold, I swear. I wanted to enjoy it and be aesthetic, but I couldn't. It's too cold. Way too cold. Oh, my hands feel numb. Oh. Okay, so we're in the car now. It's 5 o'clock and we're going to go to Lotte Premium Outlet. It's like, yeah, a premium outlet where like a lot of stores like Polo Ralph Lauren and all those high-end stores. Time to go shopping. Ah, what a beautiful Sunday. There are a lot of stores here. Look at the Ice Princess. It's too cold. She changed with her father. Only use that thin stockings. Thin stocking? Show me your thin stocking.
Because I'm only wearing this. How am I not cold?
There's a Christmas market. That's so cute. There's also a Wicked pop-up in the middle. It's like the Christmas tree, basically. This is new. Krispy Kreme has a vending machine. How does that freaking work? There's so many snacks around here, and I'm tempted to buy an odeng because it's so. I think it'll be so nice since the weather is so freaking cold. And then if I eat the odeng, it'll be so warm and nice. But I can't. Ooh, the wind is getting stronger each minute. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's so deep.
We're going in sexy mix because I need leggings for training. I've seen everyone wear sexy mic everywhere here. Like all the kids when they train, they wear sexy mic. It's crazy. Their brand is so popular here. I just looked in the mirror and I look like a penguin. What the hell? This looks so weird. Well, it's fine. I'm freezing cold because I'm freezing cold. I'm only wearing like stockings like this because freezing. We got a big bag. We shopped a lot in Sexy Mic and we got a big bag. And plus I changed my legging. I changed stockings. I changed my stockings because it was too cold. So I changed into thermal pants from Sexy Mic and it's actually really comfortable. I really love their pants because it's so nice and comfy and it's like tight, you know, so it's like really nice for training. And we bought, not just me, of course. We bought like 2 pairs of pants on every color. We bought black, chocolate, and blue. Each one 2 pairs for training. So happy. Now we're exploring the outlet more. This outlet is huge.
Stay here.
This food court is on the 3rd floor of the Lotte Premium Outlet, and wow, it's called Tasty Grounds, and oh my god, it lives up to its name. It has so many good food, like from Korean to Western and to like all the cuisines. It's crazy, and the portions are ginormous. They also have pork cutlet, and the pork cutlet, wow, it's like bigger than the size of my hand. I'm so confused. What should I get? I don't know what to get. Okay, so we finished ordering. I ordered a donburi and my mom and sister ordered oh, there it is. They ordered a salsa rice bowl and we have tteokbokki. This looks so fatty and nice. Let's try it. This tteokbokki enak. It's chewy and the sauce is like sweet, but it's like a balancing sweet. It's not like too sweet. Because I've ever tried a tteokbokki from Hyundai's night market, the Hyundai street market. Literally, the tteokbokki is a tourist trap. Don't try it. It's not good. This one though, so good. The best. They're like the best tteokbokki I've ever tried. It's so chewy and perfect. Yeah, they have salsa. You got which one?
Scallop and sea bream.
Mom and mommy got beef.
Beef salsa.
Classic. She always gets beef whenever there's salsa.
No, abalone usually.
Then this tang suyu. I'm gonna try the tang suyu. Oh, it's new ringi? Tang suyu? Oh, that's new. I'm gonna try new ringi. This ringi. What? How do you say it? New ringi. It's not tang suyu. Wait, let's try. It looks really good. Yeah, really good. Citrusy. So the food was good. but the portion was really small. And it's mostly carbs and barely any protein, so that's not good. Now, after we're done eating and our tummies are happy and full, it's time to go home and end the day. It's currently 8 p.m. already, and we're gonna go home and rest, and tomorrow's gonna start with training again. And today was really fun. I really loved today. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video here. See you. Bye-bye.